We have just entered the Nefertari's tomb. This is the largest, most well-preserved, and the most beautiful tomb of ancient Egypt. Nefertari was a wife of Ramses the Great for 24 years. Egyptologists assume that she was the mother of at least 4 sons and 2 daughters. Nefertari's name means the most beautiful. This tomb is her house of eternity, and it has 7 chambers. The depictions on the walls show the Queen Nefertari honoring the gods and goddesses who would help her on her journey in the afterlife. The ceiling of the tomb is blue and has stars painted over it. The scholars found love poetry written by the king for his dead queen in the Nefertari's tomb. Your vocabulary for today is assume, chamber, depiction, ceiling. Please enjoy the rest of the video. See you soon.